Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be opening up this AirPod box. As you guys know, I have never opened up the AirPods because I have no AirPods. So let's open this AirPods up. Like, these are one of the iPhone AirPods, but I don't know, like it's the best. I got it like today, right? You guys, look at the AirPods. No way. Okay, so remove the blue tape out of here. Like, okay, it's really supposed to have like, wow, guys, look at the AirPods. These are one of the beautiful AirPods I have ever had. So look at this. It's the set of AirPods. Oh, it lights up. I don't know why it's lighting up for. The AirPod is lighting. I'll take the other one. This one is lighting up too. What if we take both of them? The cover also still lights up. We put this on my ears and check. I am having AirPods first time. It's saying something. Car off, whatever. It's so cool. AirPods is the best, guys. You guys can also win another one. It's down in the link description below. You guys, these are like just very expensive AirPods. Okay, here is you charge. Oh yeah, the charger you see. It's one of the iPhone chargers. So you can charge it. I could use it for my iPad. Is it charged? Okay, guys. So this is still working right now. So if you guys know, these are the manuals. So you guys can also win an AirPods. You have to subscribe my channel and like all of my videos and comment that you guys are subscribed. So I will do a gaming video if you guys subscribe. I'll do a gaming video and I'll show my little face. So if you guys want to see my little face over there, you have to do all and you will win this AirPod Pros. It's not Pros, it's just AirPod. Red light. We have to charge it. So this is the box we got it. Like okay, I can also redo my reaction. It's like you guys could win this. So if you guys need the manual, you just have to link down below. Also, this is the set of the AirPods, guys. You guys just can win this AirPod for like anything. I just haven't. Oh, I'm gonna take it. You guys see one to this thing? Okay, guys, I'm gonna listen some songs. So let me listen some. Okay, I already connected it. Just kidding. I have to be connected. You gotta go get it and get all of my anesthesia. Just kidding. I am just kidding. If you guys want to, okay, if my friends are watching, I'll not give you. No. If you guys subscribe, I'll give to my friends. So this name is iLemon. These are AirPods. I guys know. Then this is the AirPod box. Also, you guys could win it for anything. So if you guys want to win it, subscribe, like, share, comment the video that you guys are subscribed. Also, see you guys next time. Bye.